sugar milk tea, large, regular sugar, pearl, pearl, add to cart. Oh, hold up, $25.
Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do the highly requested video and show you how I make bubble tea. This is perfect for quarantine because I know that it's not essential to go out for bubble tea and our addiction's gotta be satisfied somehow. It's really easy, I promise, so keep on watching. I'm gonna do a taste test. Honestly, 2 out of the 3 of these I've never made before, so you guys got to try that out with me on camera. I'm gonna try the mango green tea aloe one first. Like this. That is so good. It's not too sweet at all, which is okay because these two are gonna be really sweet. The tapioca is cooked perfectly. Now I'm gonna try the brown sugar milk tea. See how this goes. I'm very excited for this one. I might have done something here. I've never made bubble tea this good before. Dalgona TikTok coffee with a spin. Okay, look at the flick of that wrist. Whoa. Whoa. I would say these two are my favorites only because I've tried the Dalgona one before. I'm not a huge fan of coffee, but that is really good. If you do like coffee, you can also make it without making black tea. You can just put milk straight on top of the boba, and that's really good too, so that you don't have double caffeine, you know. Yeah. Also, shout out to Cha Time for the straws. Okay, so that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there's another boba recipe that you'd like me to try out. I can open up my own shop. Comment down below what my shop would be called. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.